Student, I hope you are happy and enjoying the mathematics. Today we'll discuss exercise 2.2 of inverse trigonometry. Question number first, prove that 3 sine inverse x equal to sine inverse 3x minus 4x cube x belong to minus 1 to 1 close interval. Right? We can prove this by help of this formula. My dear student, as we know that sine 3 equal to 3 sine a minus 4 sine cube a. Let sin a equal to x, a equal to sin inverse x. So therefore, in place of x, I can put here sin 3, a means sin inverse x equal to 3x minus 4x cube. Okay, 3 sin inverse x equal to, you can send this sign in the right hand side, sin inverse 3x minus 4x cube. It's proved. Now come to the question number second. 3 cos inverse x equal to cos inverse 4x cube minus 3x. X belong to 1 by 2 to 1 closed interval. Right? You can relate this formula with the trigonometric formula sin 3 cos 3 equal to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Let cos a equal to x, a equal to cos inverse x. So therefore you can write cos 3a. A means cos inverse x equal to 4x cube minus 3x. Okay, you can send cos in the right hand side. So 3 cos inverse x equal to cos inverse 4x cube minus 3x. Now come to the question number 3. Tan inverse 2 by 11 plus tan inverse 7 by 24 equal to tan inverse 1 by 2. My dear student, as we know, we have already proved this. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. Okay, you can assume let x equal to 2 by 11, y equal to 7 by 24. Therefore, from the left hand side, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y, x means 2 by 11, y means 7 by 24 equal to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus x into y. After solving this one by help of the fractional addition and subtraction, you can write 2 into 24 plus 7 into 11 upon 11 into 24 minus 2 into 7 equal to tan inverse 48 minus 77 upon 264 minus 14 equal to tan inverse 125 upon 250 equal to tan inverse 1 by 2. This is right hand side. Now come to the question number 4. We have to prove that 2 tan inverse 1 by 2 plus tan inverse 1 by 7 equal to tan inverse 31 by 17. Dear student, you know that 2 tan inverse x equal to tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. Its corresponding trigonometric formula tan 2a equal to 2 tan a upon tan 2a equal to 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square a. You know this. Okay. So therefore at first you will convert 2 tan inverse 1 by 2 into tan inverse by help of this formula. 2 tan inverse 1 by 2 equal to tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square plus tan inverse 1 by 7 equal to tan inverse 1 upon 1 minus 1 by 4 plus tan inverse 1 by 7. 1 minus 1 by 4, 3 by 4 means 4 by 3. Tan inverse 4 by 3 plus tan inverse 1 by 7 means tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. Right? By help of this formula, tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. Okay. Then you can write, after solving this one, 28 plus 3 upon 21 minus 4 equal to tan inverse 31 by 17 equal to right hand side. Now come to the question number 5. Dear student, 5 to 10 are similar problems. Write in simplest form. You have to write in simplest form. Means you have to simplify. Means you have to convert the bracket portion in the form of 10. How you will do? Okay. If I will put x equal to tan theta, what will be? This portion will convert into sec theta minus 1 upon tan theta, and we have to convert now this value into tan theta by 2 by help of this sec theta equal to 1 upon cos theta minus 1 and sin theta upon cos theta and 1 minus cos theta upon sin theta and cos theta equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2 and sin theta equal to 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. After simplifying this, you will get sin theta by 2 upon cos theta by 2 equal to tan theta by 2. So in place of this, you can write finally tan theta by 2. Let us see how to solve this one. Okay, let x equal to tan theta and theta equal to tan inverse x. So therefore tan inverse root 1 plus x square minus 1 upon x equal to tan inverse root 1 plus tan square theta minus 1 upon tan theta. Since 1 plus tan square theta equal to sec square theta and square root of sec square theta is sec theta minus 1 upon tan theta. And sec theta equal to 1 upon cos theta minus 1 and tan theta means sin theta upon cos theta. So you can write tan inverse 1 minus cos theta upon sin theta. Right? 1 minus cos theta means 1 minus 2 sin square theta by 2 and sin theta means 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. 1 1 cancel and sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 means sin theta by 2 upon cos theta by 2 tan theta by 2. Tan inverse tan cancel, you will get theta by 2. And finally in place of theta you can write tan inverse x. Tan inverse x, half tan inverse x is your simplified form of a given question. Okay, now come to the question number 6. Okay, you have to simplify this. Tan inverse 1 upon root x square minus 1. Dear student, if you will put x equal to cosec theta, let us suppose, so you can convert this cosec theta, cosec square theta minus 1 into the cot theta, and therefore 1 upon cot theta will be tan theta. Since you know that cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. So cosec square theta minus 1 equal to cot square theta. Square root of cosec square theta minus 1 equal to cot theta. So you are putting let x equal to cosec theta. So therefore tan inverse 1 upon root x square minus 1 equal to tan inverse 1 upon root x square minus 1. Tan inverse 1 upon root, in place of x we will put cosec square theta minus 1 equal to tan inverse 1 upon cos square theta minus 1 equal to cot square theta, and square root of cot square theta cot theta 1 upon cot theta equal to tan theta. Tan inverse tan theta equal to theta and theta equal to cosec inverse x. Likewise, we can simplify 7th question. Tan inverse root 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x. Okay, as you know that cos 2a equal to cos square a minus sin square a equal to 2 cos square a minus 1 equal to 1 minus 2 sin square a equal to 1 minus tan square a upon 1 plus tan square a. Okay. In this question, you no need to put the value of x because inside that bracket there is an identity, trigonometric identity. So you will solve this and you will try to convert this into 10. Okay, how you will do? Let us see. Tan inverse root 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x equal to tan inverse root 1 minus, in place of cos x you can write 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2 and 1 plus, in place of cos x you can write 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. Here 1 1 cancel, 1 1 cancel, square root of 2 sin square x by 2 upon 2 cos square x by 2, 2 2 cancel, sin x by 2 upon cos x by 2 equal to tan x by 2, tan inverse tan cancel, you will get x by 2. This is your result. Now come to the question number 8. Tan inverse cos x minus sin x upon cos x plus sin x equal to tan inverse. You will divide the numerator and denominator by cos x. After this, cos x upon cos x 1, sin x upon cos x tan x, and 1 plus sin x upon cos x tan x. So in place of 1 you can write tan pi by 4 minus tan x upon 1 plus tan pi by 4 into tan x. Tan a minus tan b upon 1 plus tan a into tan b equal to tan a minus b. Tan inverse tan cancel, you will get pi by 4 minus x. This is your required answer. Now come to the question number 9. Okay, you have to simplify this. Tan inverse x upon root 1 minus root a square minus x square mod of x less than 1. For solving this one, you can assume let x equal to a sin theta, x upon a equal to sin theta, theta equal to sin inverse x upon a. So you can write tan inverse x upon root of a square minus x square equal to tan inverse a sin theta, a sin theta, a sin theta upon root a square minus sin square theta. You will take a square common, 1 minus sin square theta. Inside the bracket will be a sin theta upon a root 1 minus sin square theta equal to cos square theta, and square root of cos square theta cos theta, a sin theta upon cos theta, a cancel, and sin tan inverse tan theta, tan inverse tan cancel, theta. Theta means sin inverse x upon a. Right. Now come to the next problem. In this problem, my dear student, you have to just simplify this. Tan inverse 3a square x minus x cube upon a cube minus 3ax square. Right, this is a condition for the x. This, its corresponding trigonometric formula is tan 3a. Tan 3 equal to 3 tan a minus tan cube a upon 1 minus 3 tan square a. So solving this one, you can assume let x equal to a tan a. Tan a equal to x upon a equal to tan inverse x upon a. So therefore tan inverse 3a square x minus x cube upon a cube minus 3a x square. Right? Okay. So you can write if you will put x equal to a tan theta, you can write tan inverse 3a square into a tan a minus a cube tan cube a upon a cube minus 3a into a square tan square a means 3a cube tan square a. Right? So tan inverse 3 tan a minus tan cube a upon 1 minus 3 tan square a. Since a cube cancel, right, from numerator and denominator, and so you can write it's the value of tan 3 in the by the help of trigonometry. So tan inverse tan cancel, you will get 3a, and a means tan inverse x upon a, 3 tan inverse x upon a. So thank you very much. I hope you understand all questions which I have discussed in this video. The rest of the question, my dear student, I will tell you in the next video. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.